Just running through extinguishers today, I thought one of the things that would be best covered is these little anti-tamper tags here. They normally are transportation tags. They come installed as supplied by the manufacturer. When they are first installed and commissioned, this pin should be removed, which removes that tag, and another tag should be installed on top of it. We see quite a lot of these tags that have been left in place, which is an indication that the system hasn't been commissioned properly. If part of the commissioning procedure is that this pin is actually removed to check it removes, and that would remove this tag. So by replacing it with the wraparound tag with a little top on it that you normally see, which I'll show you in a little while, it gives you a good idea that the system's been installed correctly by a competent person.